Good morning. This is Miss Wisdom of the Wisdom Press. I got 7 minutes before I clock in, so I just want to make this real quick. So, look, the state of Texas versus Carmelo Anthony trial begins today. They have selected the jury, and um, I'm not pleased. This was already going to be a shitstorm from the beginning, the moment it happened. Black boy, uh, good grades, athlete, all those things, gets into a world of trouble because allegedly he defended himself by stabbing another student. Only thing is that other student was a white boy. I hate that it's about race, but in 2026, that's where it is now. You could thank Chud the Builder. You could thank all these other motherfuckers who make everything about race. You can even thank the bots online that make everything the fuck about race. But here we are in 2026. Carmelo Anthony's jury, no black jurors. None. No black jurors. Well, it's the justice system. Just trust the justice system. Baby, we know how the justice system works. We don't trust it because they don't trust us. They're not for us. What y'all see is this black boy stabbed this white boy. What I see is that could have been my black son who was trying to defend himself, and he pulled out the first thing he could find. It sucks. It's fucked up. But this is where we are now. So, anyway, the trial begins today at 9 a.m. in Collin County Courthouse. It ain't Dallas, Texas, it's actually McKinney, but y'all can correct me if I'm wrong. There will be no cameras in the courtroom. So pretty much you'll be hearing things from outside. If you actually did some research and you saw what was outside of the courthouse at the time of the jury selection process, people already started protesting. Black Lives Matter versus White Lives Matter. Black people who traveled all the way from different states to be here versus justice for Austin. He didn't deserve that. Like it's literally, it's sad to see that we just can't, that we as people, as human fucking beings, just can't come together and say whether or not this situation was right, wrong, indifferent. Yeah, he did this, but other person shouldn't have done this, vice versa. It just feels that Carmelo was already found guilty from the jump. I don't like this. I'm praying for a good outcome, but I just don't know. All I can say is if you are a parent of a black son, give them a hug, man. Talk to them. Tell them what's going on. It's just a sad situation all around. And I really do hope people go out, the bloggers or the actual journalists, go out there and get some great footage. And we want to hear from the people on what do they think, what's going on, both sides. But again, it's been a train wreck from the jump. From the moment that stabbing happened, it's been a train wreck from the jump. And prayers, man, prayers. If you haven't already, please go to my website, thewisdompress.com. You will see updates on the state of Texas versus Carmelo Anthony trial. First article I did was about just pre-trial information. What do you need to know about the case? And the article I dropped last night is exactly about the jury selection. So please check that out. I appreciate y'all for listening. You have a great day. And again, stay blessed, hug your kids, and love your life. Amen. Bye.